All right, in the last video we took a look at how do you make a link in your page, like this one right here, that takes you off your website and online to somebody else's web page. What I'm going to show you now is what happens if you want to do something in your own website. Like this is the first page of my website, and now I want to let them click a link to go check another one of my pages out. Okay, you want to do the link a little bit differently. So what I've done here is I've actually made another page for my website, and it's called the secret page. And I've already coded it right here. So I've just made another HTML file, coded it up with a little bit of stuff, right? And it's called secret.html. Now notice on my desktop where I saved it. I saved it in the same place that I have my index page, which happened to be the same place where the picture is, and it's the same place where the secret.html page is going to be. And what I want to do is I want to provide a link so I can go from this page, hop to this page, and then from this page put a link and hop back to my other page. That's what a website is, right? It's a bunch of pages, and you usually hop back and forth between all the pages. So let's go look at the type of link that you're probably more commonly going to make when you go to do your little projects on website stuff. So let's go to my index page and let's just add the link here. Do you want to know a secret? Click here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tag. So I just like to do this, end A, and let's put the link in. And the link uses the same attribute, href, right? Where am I going to refer them to? And this time I don't have to do this HTTP stuff with the slashes. This is when you want to go off online. If it's a page at the exact same place where you are, then what we want to do is just name the page. So that page was secret.html. This is called a relative link. What it does is, since we've said nowhere to go, right? This says go online. Since this has nowhere to go, it starts searching for secret.html wherever this page is. And this page is on my desktop, so it's going to look on the desktop, right? The same folder. It's going to look for secret.html, and it's just going to work. Okay, so let's give it a go. Save. Refresh. Do you want to know a secret? Of course you want to know my secret. We click here. And there's my secret. And it is a bit of a true secret. Not every day, but some days. And so you can peek at that. Now, on the secret page, I want to put a link that goes back to my index. So let's do this. Go back to home page. Let's put a couple enter keys there. And now let's put the link. Go back. So I want the word back to be underlined. So let's put the A tag there. Let's close the A tag. And let's actually tell it where to go. href equals. And the page, it's in the same folder as secret HTML. So just name it. Index.html. Spelling matters. Little letters, capital letters, right? Everything has to be perfect, or this won't work. But let's add that. Let's refresh my secret page, and there's the go back and test it out. And now you can click. Now if you can do this with 2 pages, you can do this with 10 pages or 20 pages, right? You just have to add all the links that let you hop around. You should never expect your user to use the back button, right? You know, if you want them to be able to go back, put a link that lets them go back. Okay? And some of you will figure out how to do this with a button if you search Google, right? But that's nice. Now you have the ability to link outside of the page, and you have the ability to link to your own pages that you've made, which is setting us up nicely to be able to make a little website. Thanks for watching.